Samanga guys, how are you guys? Usisi ngibhalela uri awushozi ngishadile and ngishadwe ku first day yami ngicela ukuthola umsebenzi bengivela fresh from university mangithi ngiyahamba ngizele emsebenzini ngiyawalka vele ngiyake umsebenzini ngicela ukuhlala taxi this guy vele angishayile hutha vele ngingambeki because I know hore bashimane ba Gauteng bafana basekole ukuthi banjani yabona uthangishayile hutha vele ngingamnaki kanti la ngidlule khona robot livala uthi umuntu aphake imoto ahlike agijime esekini awusika ubitse kanti wayesashebelele yabona uthi ngithi hayi like iziningi imoto ezishaya amahutha so kufanele ngijikele every car eshaya uhutha na uthi guy was like kubona every day ukha so today I said lena emakini onjala laka lamafele likenga speed lona leyo yabona uthi hayi ngibona ukuthi namuhla fanele ngikhulumise yazi because ngibona every day ngasaba ukukhulumisa I know ukuthi kula sikhathi bani udlana so each and every time I make it a point ukuthi ngidlula ngalesikhathi udlula ngaso so today I said to myself no ngizobulilisa uthi vele amtshela ukuthi irobot yavula ngicela ukugijima ngithatha imoto yami ngizoyiphaka side parking then isikhuluma sis was like no mina I'm very late brother said emanyana but brother fela gijime angene emotweni a drive but phambili vele athole iparking side parking aphake khona vele alindele sisters was like no mina I'm late angeke ngime la because ngizoladela stuff like that so is either uzongimela ke mangishayisa sisters vele shayisa ngo4 uthamtshela ukuthi uzongimela ke mangishayisa ngo4 and then sizokhuluma so ubrother was like 4 o'clock on the dot kitlabe kuye meeting ukhona inyona imoremo ngoteng ngikupela robiteng yabona uthi makangikhulumisa like that azangithathe serious kulobona nguraka bana ba Gauteng ba rata basadi yabona uthi vele azangize ngi-entertain indaba yakhe uthi vele mina ngishayisele befuthi ngiyazokhela uthi ngikhuluma noma wami ngefoni siyakhuluma vele uthi ngizwa ngehutha futhi pup uthi ngicabanga ukuthi kunomuntu ongishayile ihutha ekseni uthi pup futhi uthi ngijika ngibheka ngiyele ilo wasekseni futhi uthi vele athi bugibele nguphi lift uthi okay ngi decide ukuthi emake ngigibele ke mufetshani skitlo bila moto ubatla uthi vele ngigibele vele sihambe hayi uthi masisendleleni vele ubrothers vele angitshele vele ukuthi kama lakhe ubani uThepho so ubrothers uThepho akena Thepho usebenza kuphi kubona imali ngikhatha yabona so tugele sethu Thepho uthandi usisivela mtshela ukuthi mina igama lami nginguthandi ngisebenza lana ngiguphi vele orhubidi intro kali intro vele sazane kahle ngihlala kuphi ngizokudropa off I don't mind hayi vele ugela uthi nje ukuthi ngihlala kuphi ugayathi muswena uhlala eKasilami like la uhlala khona eKasilami kilobona so ngizokhapha uthi hayi vele sihamba umuntu vele anishelo ngathi babani naloshela urangishele antsipshele le fasile lhodini uthi awushozi ngaleso sikhathi mina bengadate bengizinikeze like enkonzweni bengumuntu vele wasenkonzweni ngithize vele mangifunda ngaze ukuthi ngizodedicate isikhathi sami ezincwadini because I didn't want my mother ukuthi ngidisappoint because mas every time angikhapha iResbe ngibalabala every day usikhathale ngwana uqele degree ake bahle degree yamakhama bethi uthi every day bekuyiculela kamama so ngaze ukuthi emangihliswe umjolo yabona uthi cause ngifike university vele first year ngabe sengixomana na this other guy uthi makwaba mnandi kwaba namahodi ma Preston kanti kuyophuma inyama encane uthi vele ngaba pregnant first year but my mom doesn't know about it no guy was like no akibatle ngwana uthi hayi vele saya kubo Mary stop sahamba vele sakadira thing vele from there that's when I decided ukuthi angifuni ukuba pregnant again angizopreventa kahle ngizohlala vele ngibe single until ngiqede degree yami uthi sisters wenze kanjalo so first year makasebenza uthi vele bengisaqala vele ukusebenza so bengisaconcentrate ukuthi I need to move ngenzeni things like that so bekisidenga umjolo yebona nayibamba ngisho indaba uthi hayi awusi angidrop off umuntu sihlale vele emotweni vele makazo ngidrop off sikhulume vele angitsheliwe ngithana ngakhona in vele angitshela ukuthi nanini nibugcoke into so kushebeleti yabona hayi uthi sisivele mina nokaya vele ugaya ngimuphi chance ugaya ngitshela ukuthi yena usingile akanangani and he's ready ukuthi angaba nomuntu osimisele ngempilo osimisele ukuthi ufuna ushado so yena akafuna umjolo la kwabana basikolo uJola amagama robala uthena le asinto yakhe so ufuna someone ozimisele, someone honest in or like vele amfile list of things nje naderatang le just aderate yabona. Uthi vele brothers vele angitshele vele ukuthi ngihlala ngikubona every day, uthi must ashwa ama outfits wami ngihlala ngwaqoka athi ngibone nini ngqoke so ngcoke kahle nini ngcoke so abana. Uthi vele ngibuka ukuthi umuntu lo kahle kahle kudala apay attention but mina bengingamnaki obviously because of my walk in the streets like busy khona amadoda obviously basoyishaya ihuda ngisho siyaphasi kubajana yabona. So usisi uthi okay umjolo uqale kanjalo ke or high hobby date there and there hobby date rejole or austrosi rejole vele to an extent ukuthi sesiva and brothers like a 10 out of 10 uthi ngiyamthikela ama box 10 out of 10 like he's always there for me mangaba nenkinga asebathu balone le monna ufonela monna or wayitsikina lapho thatha angeka kubuza ukuthi manje wenza njani athi always sekena le problem akimfonela he has a solution every time. If yamkhuluza uthi ngicela ukuthi ungiphinyana isikhathi then ngizobuya ku or ke bana bale bana le plan obona ke bana bale plan uthi brothers vele I relationship iqhube 6 months mayiqhuba 6 months imtshela ukuthi I'm thinking of buying a car cause like anginangane and ngisebenza khona ngisebenza kahle or abuti and like assist me ka dilo tse dingata tsa koloi eng hekilo ireka he was there for in like bega khona for everything. Each and every step bekangibamba ngathi umntwana emncane nje angikhomba ukuthi no senza so senza or ke abuti bale like baba le plan man like angeke uhlupheke akhona arike bathu bawo even though sometimes ukuthi udinga like to show chelete so he will make it a plan ukuthi uyakunceda arike motho that's my boyfriend labona uthi uguy vele asho athi ish this relationship sehamba kahle ya flow or awushozing shift elokushini ngizitholele nami indawo yami ngaphase nginemoto vele life vele ya cruise amnati ubrothers naye bekahlala once ubrothers athi you know what for us uthi keep it I think we rather ngikhipha amalobole then ngizohlala nami sengikhiphela amalobole uthi ngicabanga ukuthi umuntu uyadlala cause asina even a year together so why global uthi umuntu vele athi isilele ngwalo ngicela ukuthi usekini amandwendwe azoza. And I was keep excited because I'm a born again Christian and ukshata before ngiba nengane ngilobona like a dream come true for my mother because sengisebenza nginemoto ngapha sengizoshada anginanengane lona uthi ngisikishele lingwalo hayi my mother and my father bajabule vele babe excited ngona bona wanyadiwa and mama ke batho bale ba ko krekeng ba rata ngo khantsha kabana ari umama mi personality yakhileyo. So like she was so excited ukuthi umntwanami ndimkomholo uthi akhipha ama scriptures like this uthi lento le mayiza like vanitli sicheke modimo skadumela uthi angikhochi kisakisha lengwalo awusijosi. It's okay no problem vele lifikile ngivanga vele lamandwendwe lemleza ngiphandle ufike ilanga lamandwendwe uthi vele everything vele ihambe kahle ahambe kahle and then vele ikiba decide ukuthi fanele ukuthi ngikotise for a month because already sinendawo kahle kahle nginendawo ubrass unendawo so fanele ukuthi simove in together so but before simove in together angiyukotisa for a month or I'll show like umsebenzi wami yakhona ukusebenza nasendlini uthi ngidecide ukuthi okay for a month ngizosebenzela endlini ngizothatha i2 weeks leave and then the 2 weeks enye ngisebenzele endlini ayikube agreement like that uthi vele ngekhaba umfana vele bangikhoroshija abo umshimani uthi kube mnandi the mother in law uright the father in law uright uthi bo brothers ko gabo ke ngwana le one mina yithi ngisemntwana ngi1 so ubrothers ekibo like iqanda le family nje everything babuza yena puti radire puti yeyibona le family le or ile family leyo and naye ke batho bale ba utepelela like abona batswati la batsa banna ba or ba utefa isiketenne watseba hayi relang puti yo puti re utleshetse uthi inomuntu loyo makase uthi ngibone that side yakhe uthi muslimuthi o like ke mama boy bila bona uthi ngibone mangisekibo uthi hayi vele umkodiso vele uqale hayi usise uthi ngicaleke ngiyokotisa vele kamama zalo uthi hayi vele si enjoy no mama zalo labantu like aba like unale free kahle ufree ngithatha as a daughter because of umntwana one and umfana uthi like everything ngitshela ukuthi hey mina angifuni ukuthatha uthi mamazala wenzeni, mina lana kwami une helper. So when I do whatever you want to do ngesikhathi ufuna ukwenza ngaso, angizokupha ama terms and conditions lana kwami. Do whatever you want to do, gqoka ufuna ukugqoka, I don't mind at all, as long as langa malishona ube kusejardini ake bathi makuto kala abantu ko strateng boshigo. Uthi vele angiphi like that, like the rooster, uthi ngihlale vele the whole month ngamamazala kamnandi, no issues, ngokuthi umuntu onjani, vele umuntu okhuluma straight talk, into bangayithanda ukutshela manje akubekela umthwalo efridge. Tshela manje ukuthi into swangithanda ungaphinde uyenze like umuntu onjalo. Uthi okay, uthi angitshele vele before ngizojika vele mamazala ukuthi hayi mina nginipha lo nyaka, like enjoy yourself, ni travelishe because no it wanabantwana, ni enjoy life before nizoyenza abantwana. But next year ngipha 12 months, next year akukhukhumala isigubhu asicwale. Uthi vele kube magama wakhe kuphela la. Uthi hayi vele ngithi hayi mama ngiyabonga sizozama. Ngiyabona uthi hayi ngibiyele vele mina nomuntu wami simove in together. Uthi umuntu wami lo muntu lo, if it's like something enzekile empilweni yakho, or something amazing or into emzisubhlungu, like I'm the first person to know. Asinama secrets towards each other. Sakhona ukuhleba ama family soyithu, uhleba ifamily yakhe kimi, nami ngihleba ifamily yami kuye. Kila like siphila lo empilo, sima friends, mas off soyithu, we are together. Mase kuma family members sit together. Like athi umuntu wami lo muntu lo akafuna ngibona ngizobhlungu, mangizobhlungu na ilanga lakhe lamosheka, mangakhala ilanga lakhe lamosheka. Like lo muntu lo like caring too much towards nna. Hangarke batla something, he will make it a point ukuthi ngizoyithola lo into lo, even if kumele ukuthi enza ama sacrifices ukuthi ngithole utloyetha. Uthi sisijozi sicale vele siplana ama vacation re kodi kai kodi Thailand kodi kai kodi Durban wona Cape Town wona ku kai uthi vele sitravelishe ngemali yethu phela ngisho siyasebenza sethu, and phela ko habo brothers umntwana wani so akadingi ukuthi asupport yibo. So the income yarena really to like you say spend nje kamnandi together. Uthi hayi kuqale ke sithi you know what, sesitravelishe enough for us before soqala uba nomntwana. Let's rather sithenge indlu, invest ku property. Uthi hayi sifune vele indlu, sifune indlu sithole vele the perfect house for us ezolinganela ukuthi sibe nabantwana abayi2 kulabona, then kube ne spare room. Uthi kube mnandi indlu vele ibe khona, indlu enhle because our salaries bikavuma ukuthi singathenga a decent house. Sithenge indlu, si renovate there and there. Uthi mamazala vele azozobheka vele endlini abe impressed gore le bana ba botlhale, bana ba khona go rekela motse ba sala banyana. Uthi vele are motivate ke lona. Uthi father in law umunye umuntu asumuntu okhulumayo, my father in law asimotho obolela umuntu osithulelayo usikhulumela neta unwilling njwala nyana ka di weekend if nizile vele so la shaya music wakhe wakudala azijayivele ayenzeni. Uthi umuntu onjalo, but during the week maka emsebenzini and stuff like that umuntu vele uthulile. Uthi umuntu vele uthulile mamazala ubabazala, but the mother in law vele umuntu straight talker vele uyakhuluma the way abatla as vele azosicongratulate for indlu. Sithengi finish asicede. Uthi mamazala vele aqale ke manje athi manje ntombazana senomuzi ni travelele, yabona. So isikhathi ukuthi scoop sihlale moya, lebona or scoop sikhona uhlala mona, scoop asihlale moya, yabona. Uthi vele kube ipressure ukuthi nathi ke sicale. Uthi usipay 12 months but thina sesijumpile to 1 year 6 months, so lo nothing is happening. And now Josie kana go after baqeda ukungilobola bengasa preventive bengeke everything izile ukuthi now I'm ready to have my own child. Oda sihambe vele isikhathi sihambe sizama 2 years ifike, 3 years ifike, umntwana akaveli angibe pregnant. Mama zala vele aqale manje so khuluma like wanjeba wenzani utho ama hints kanti ntlo ipila mara una motho a tlatsanga le shata ka muntu ho irala makoti stofo sa bereka scoop stotlaning, yabona. Uthi kube like aqale like that umamazala aqale like that every time akazile ungibuza ngomntwana, every time akazile ungibuza umntwana. Masingathi siyayibo ugayi ke ngwana this that masiya kuma family gathering this that essentially over 3 years lingithi kanti linye ku reach the 5 year mark lesina ngwana phela niba badala, yabona. Uthi siyaqala siyang affect mina emotionally this thing ya hore ngikhona ukuba pregnant for my husband and the family bafuna umntwana, yabona. Uthi ngicabangela ukuthi lo guy uyiwana hayi ukuthi unenkinga vele ifamily bloodline kibo like banalo bathatha abana because lena ngana ngwana and mama how bile ngwana uyiwana bahona lo ngwana uyiwana nabana konke so hayibuthi it runs in the family. Uthi nje uthi cabanga ukuthi phela mina university ngakhipha isisu, so clearly sami stuff sasebenza like umpi yabereka. So what's wrong? Why ngamithi? Because it's been 3 years without protection, without prevention. So lo mntwana akaveli. Uthi awushozi decide ukuthi ngcono siyobheka ke kuma specialist, so check kahle ukuthi why singazali soyi2, why ngingabi preg urive very tsamaye hayi uthola ukuthi soyi2 se 100% phashasha ke kumuntu onenkinga. But singabatheli ama family members ukuthi sizisa decide ukuthi ngose ba doctor uthi awushozi the concussion go the cholesterol enwa bengizenza enwa ayetsa but ingane dololo akaveli bathi phuza iHerbalife nani ya itlo cleanser phuza iforever in organwe mixa in organwe but ngwana hanyareli. Uthi awushozi sesiku 4 years ke manje sishadile umntwana akafiki. Uthi every time okay uthi ngimtshele vele ubrother uthi mina every time angekini mama kungitshela ngomntwana uma families bangitshela ngomntwana, so I think uthi mina ngizohlala vele ngingasayi kuma family gathering, ngingasayi nemicimbi nesikini because sengikhathele ukuthi bangibuza ngomntwana esivi ngathi mina ngizali. Abona uthi vele ubrother sicana athi hayi mara umama man like ungayithathi kanjalo inhlizweni, uthi nje ukuthi iyang offender ingizobhlungu uthi sikhulume uthi athi asihambe mara weekend siyikithi uthi mele masifika hlala phansi atshela mama yakhe athi mama angithandi ukuthi ubuze uthandi ngendaba yomntwana, so if umndima aradile utorifa ngwana so uthandi uright sivela uthi vele akhulume zonke izindaba uthi siyokuchaka doctor ithu uthando namaqanda uright nami ngiright, so umndima aradile utorifa ngwana uthi vele amtshele ukuthi ngicela ukuthi utshele nabasekini ama sisters wakho ama cousin wakho uthi bangasule babuza umfazi umntwana each and every time masihlangana. Yabona uthi vele ale like mulawu hore akisabatla lesakhle sabuthi samsadi yakadilo tsedijwa o else ngeke siseza la sizuza the day anomntwana. Uthi vele umama zali athi okay ngiyaphuma ke indaba enzini. Uthi umama zali kube ngathi umuntu understandayo kulobona uthi understand mama zala fonele this other family member yabo, the family member vele ifonele ubrother uthi umama kho wena uthi batsho umfazi wakho thina siyama offender ini, uthi ubrother vele abacacisela athi ya vele nam offender akazi izango ukuthi angabi nomntwana. Uthi vele ngibona ukuthi this guy kahle wanlwela abahle vele orbangishe buhlungu kwabona. Uthi sijozi hayi sihlale boma 3 months singasayi khabo guy uthi khabo guy besihlala vele sithanda ukubuya vele besihambise mibu ma 2 weeks isayi, so babona cause bahlala bazali bahlala babodwa. Uthi vele sihlale boma 3 months singayi. Uthi mama zane vele afonele lesana uthi ngicela ukuthi mawushayisa uze ngapha uzosibona. Yabona if umakoti uyafuna angeza but bengiprefer ukuthi ungeza wena uyi1. Hayi uthi brother sivela ngithe ukuthi mama umfonele uthi ngize nawe but ifona wona ufuna ukuza ngingeza ngi1, so wena girl ubatla ugirl was like no mina ngiyasala hamba uyobona mama kwi1. Uthi hayi sharp uthi brother sivele kube Saturday through athi ngizohamba ngizochilla khona the whole day ngizobuya afternoon but mawungidinga la nendlela umfonele I can come back. Well I was sure sikisaba le mathatha because nami ngizotholela imitime ngizilungisele kwami ngiziprintinele stuff like that. Hayi ubrother sivela hamba uthi ubrother sivela abuyi around 4 PM uthi akabuya vele angitshela athi yazi baby ngiyangeke kanjani. How baby yini? Yazi baby umama mami ubize this high school girlfriend engajola nayo uthi ngimthola usekithi uwasha izitsha bebaphuza iti. Uthatha hayi usamkhumbula mara i-girlfriend yakhe kudala uthi mangena umnyango uthi mangithi ngiyambheka ngibe shocked uthi mara yabona this is my ex-girlfriend ufuna nilana ngithi yabona athi uyamkhumbula yo manje udlulela eStradini ngavele ngambiza ngathi angene ke positive ngimuza ukuthi ukuphi ngempilo nina abo mama zala. Usisi uthi awumwele umuntu vele angitshele uthi beka pissed vele ubrothers uthi angitshela ukucabanga umama ucabanga if ufuna ukungihuka up nale ntombazana le akaboni ukuthi nginomfazi. Yabona uthi vele each and every time kube ukuthi seba invite university ex-girlfriend or like kube dilunya tse di show wabona uthi ugayi vele ahlala ngitshela vele ukuthi manje sibabiza usibani ngithola sekithi washa uma uthi umcela ukuthi amashela amawini uthi phela lo muntu lo ne helper, so what's the use ukuthi abize usibani yabona ukuthi azothini uthi like kube nitwa hore each and every time makayi ekhaya she make it a point ukuthi ufuna hospital emotho mo yabona and yabatshela ukuthi hayi mntwana manje ushadile mana kana mntwana uthi like kuba i first intro leyo makayikhuluma nabanye abantu, so ukayivela imphathe kabuhlungu yabona mara atshele okay each and every time akwenzeka something uthathele uthi ugcine to a point ukuthi akasangitsheli awusje asambuza uyakhaya how uhambe kanjani angihambe right ukuzamela hotspot mama cause this time no wazange yazi ngibe right uthi ngicala ukubona lapho uthi hayi khona into off la yabona khona uthi makathi uyekhaya manje ngigibele ngithi asambe together ngihamena uthi maka akanami umamazala vele ungiactela snacks like and then uthi there is this one day imvula vele beyina langa la khona ugayathi ngekhaya uthi ngathi ngihamba nawo so lala sizobuya kusasa ngizopheka i-overnight bag uthi ubrothers azangathiphe umama ukuthi I'm coming nami uthi mangifika imvula vele beyina uthi masifika vele kuna this other girl beyabasonta naye uvakashile naye uthi umamazala ugayima kangena eminyango my husband mangena eminyango mazala uthi oh dala sekulindile yazi dala sekulindile futhi imvula iyana and ugeli lo ngifuna babisa ngamagama ngifuna bapha amagama ugeli lo uze usiphekele isemp dala phela alasilinde wena yabona uthi ugayime mina ukuthi eze from emini so wadeleka yabona kanti mina ngizohamba uthi makasakhuluma so kanti mina ngiyeze move uthi vele ulona like umuntu aswabe lokho ukuthi uswabile umswabesile like umdisappointing uthi mama vele athi how kanti na uzile musima bengithi uzozumntwana kuzoza ulo I1 uThepho I1 yabona sikanti unawe uyeza hathepha ngangitshela ukuthi uyeza yabona uthi awushozi phela ka ibobuthoko ngibonga ukuthi lo mama lo noThepho there is something abe connectayo without me knowing yabona shothi sengifila ukuthi sefuna ukumfunela umuntu uthalale naye amenzele umntwana sengifila kanjalo uthi ayivele ngitsho yazi mina mama ngikhathele ngiyolala nizosala ni catch up uthi ngibashile uthi mangibashiya nekrikili kokrobets kogambre or ngizihleka uThepho ahleka nalento mazana ihleka nomamazala ahleka uthi inhliziyo yami ibebuhlungu awusho so mara why yabona uthi makazolala ngibe ukuthi wena lento mazana like nacho uthi hayi man ngiwasesontweni relax there is nothing eyenzakalayo kwasesontweni uthi sisi mangakutshela ukuthi umuntu vele ujambisa one weekend uthi ngihlala ngihamba na every day uthi ngibona ukuthi kahle wenzane kiwe ngakangishiya ngiwane endlini thule kusana ukuthi ngiyafika vele sengiyakhathala mina kuya every time yabona uthi last time masiya uthi ukuthi vele the weekend and baba thing vele ubuhlabile uthi siya vele uthi baba khona nje athi hayeka labantu seluzo stress uzozenza security umuntu ayenguzumgadi uthi lo baba asho kanjalo kimi uthi ngibe puzzled ukuthi how bana wanda to abulela mantoma so yabona uthi hayi kube ne ceremony vele ikithi kube nomsebenzi getting invite vele my friends my university friends my colleagues in yabona uthi kube na this one friend yami sahlangana university but usebenza go different province uthi naye vele eze uthi vele mamazala eze vele eze nobabazali stuff like that babazali wakhe like ufriendly makaphosile very friendly uthi babazali vele ngimconnect vele ngestuff sahayi vele ngimcheck uthi vele ama in-laws wami vele ngiwachecke khona babe my number one priority uthi vele kube mnandi kanti mamazala babazala the father-in-law ubone one of my friends lo was university osebenza from another province umelilitho and mamazala wakhe awushuthi babazala wakhe the father-in-law like ufine kithi gentlemen sidile ngifine abagcoka ama jeans ngala shirt lawo masikhochi but like ufine khona waparapila and umecha kahle coordinator one akanti ubheke ugel and ugel naye usifunela umfana na 50 yabona so ubabazali because udakiwe athi hey makoti hey ngathi ngibona umamncane kulobona so ubutseputsi ntato so ungitshela vele ngogel yabona uthi awushozi ugeli ngimtshela ugeli was like hey nami ngimbona uthi ngeli phela ubabazali wami athi naphela sibabazali wakhe kilikeni yabona ugeli lamantombazana la vele athanda vele abafana abana 50 so babe ukuthi vele bafuna ukukhuluma yabona bafuna so mamazali uTengi phela and no my husband ukhona uthi ubabazali atshela ugeli ukuthi ngiphi number yakho ngizokufonela siphume sohlangana yabona somewhere uthi baphana ama number awusjozi bathu babuye bafonelane babaleke emcimbini bahamba hlala phansi bakhuluma izindaba zabo nakilikena ngirikibhizi kiko hike ngikibhizi kaphithizela uthi sisijozi abantu vele ba communicate stuff like that bakwane ditaba jabo nabalithu nabasikankenge uthi isikhathi siye ugeli vela ngifonele athi I'm coming that side ngiyohlangana no mfana na 50 ubabazali yabona sibukhe somewhere naphila mama lebabazali like radate uthi ngibe shocked ukuthi lo baba lo yabona uthi ngibe namahloni ukuthi mina ngika mamazali because of I know father endo wetsang the one of my friends So uthi bahamba abantu bayobhuka ku-enjoyiwe umamazali lesikhathi ubabazala hambile ubize intombazana le yasesontweni futhi ukuthi izohlangana nomuntu wami kuhaba umuthwaka. Uthi vele uTshepo like ayike batlo ya kuhaye na emama muwani ugirl uthi uguy athi umama wakhe uyasawa bakakekho uhambe for a weekend so naye ufuna ukuya aya kumama wakhe. Uthi awushows wathi babare mudimi komkhulu uthi ngilwe ngithi ngihamba nawe athi hayi mara baby sala phela ngeke every time angiyithi uhambe nami ngathi sengimntwana omncane. Uthi for the first time since nginomuntu for over 5 years ukuthi ngihambe naye uthi ngibone mo something off kaniti. Uthi ngimiyeke ngithi okay fine hamba ke ngizakubona mawubuya Sunday sharp. Uthi ngifonela friend sho uhlangana ubabaza uthi mina nobabaza ngisibukile for a weekend away so ngizobona Sunday akethiwa homa ku father in law ngizocukula ukuthi ngihambe kanjani. Uthi sharp uthi ngilale Friday night uthi ngilale nge1 uthi Saturday morning awushozi ngithe emotweni ke re ga mamazali tu ke batlo bona ga botse khwetsa galang. Uthi ngithi ka mamazali tu or awushozi angakutshela ukuthi ngifike ka mamazali ngo 7:30 frugo nengifika ngingena. Uthi nginesikhiya seremote ka segate kamamazali. Uthi ngivule igate kebe ke tsena vele. Uthi imoto ngishiya ngaphandle ngivule igate ngene. Uthi ngivele ngithi kokokoko ithi kokokoko yabona. Uthi kungaphendulwa umuntu kokokoko bangaphendula kokokoko umphendula bangaphendula. Uthi maybe nginokhe for 5 minutes bangaphenduli. Uthi hayi manginokha vele kokugcina vele uTshepo vele avule uhamba ka BVD ha paraskipper. Uthi awu baby ufunani la like or facial expression ingitshela ukuthi uthukiwe lo muntu lo ukuthi ngifunani la nekuseni ngithukiwe. Uthi ngivele ke mophayi like this ngiwalk towards a room la kaTshepo. I want to see ukuthi le nobani because by the looks of things umamazala ade yabona. Uthi mangifika awusikhibula munyaka ukogama uthi like mangokha like uyaza baby ubatlang. Uthi mangifika ngivula umnyango wasekamareni uthi the girl ulele embedeni kaTshepo. The one wasesontweni they said no ungabi nenkinga ke muthi wakho Grekeng uthi ngimthola sisi ulele embedeni futhi like ube shocked na intombazana mangivula mangithi vu umnyango ushocked uphethe ifone ulele embedeni. Ora azange ngibelieve ukuthi umamazali uvulele intombazana izolala nehusband yami kwakhe embedeni mangizile ngilala naye. Ora azange ngabelieve uthi bengikhalela nathi leyo betrayal lomzali. Athi husband ngiyayibona indoda yinja athi but the betrayal ukuthi umamazali wami uyekelele intombazana izolala noTshepo emzini wakhe ekamareni la mina mangiza ngilala khona embedeni. What also zithathilela abare motho bangare inetwork yabaleka athi I felt ukuthi inetwork yabaleka. Uthi like I screamed ukuthi ubatlang imo why ulale nendoda yami yabona. Uthi uTshepo bekadla mahloni waqoka vele masinya or awushozi to show ukuthi abantu abangasebenzisanga ijazi or like ukhona ubona uri batho ba like me ba flex nje babatlo etsa ngwana nna ke sa hitsi yabona. Uthi sisi mangiqeda vele uTshepo fonela umama wakhe masinya. Uthi vele ngifike ngithi you know what Tshepo hlala nale ntombazana ngisho mina I'm not good enough angikhona ukunikeza ingane hlala naye akunikeza ingane. Uthi ngikhuluma so ngikhipha izinto zami ezincane like cosmetic bengishe cosmetic kibo Tshepo ngikhipha izinto zami vele e-wardrobe like cosmetic yami. Uthi vele ngiphu or angizophuma mamazali nangu ngemoto uyangena mamazali yangena bana ngimanzakalani yini uzolala kwami. Uthi mamazali like angifliphele like that athi ha mntwana makana ngane na ukhona ukumphe ngane bocabanga ukuthi fanele ukuthi umntwana mayenze njani yosikhathi siphelile. Uthi vele uTshepo vele afonela umama wakhe masinya vele umama wakhe uthi awushoza ayikho konhlungu like inovelela like la ngaphambili kumnyango duze na sakrash vele uthi uma kaTshepo vele asho vele angena vele masinya vele ngemoto vele ari avula umnyango. Uthi avula umnyango athi kwenzakalani la kwami kwenzakala oyirala ngimohaka wathi bakhamashata mohaqa yabona. Uthi aqalwe nami instead ukuthi alwe nomntwana wakhe ukuthi wayenza izinto so uthi ngibona ukuthi must this thing ke setup rabo this thing iplaniwe just ukuthi yimenyenziwa islim. Uthi sisi vele athi why bakamashata mohaqa vele uthi angenelele mina angigive athi just because of hona ngwana santsore na bloodline ka ihwe I've been here for over 5 years but ngwana thing so no santsore killing na esimosadi vele kithi sadi lo ngwana ke tometsisa ngwana santsore abele ngwana yabona mina ukuthi uconnected lentombazana sesontweni noTshepo ukuthi wazoyenza whatever bayenza ukuthi u abe black ari bila uri ubatla eng because of Tshepo o can afford aka afford umusilo babedi akanyala this lady. wasesontweni akanyala mos yena mos amira msala bobedi la khona la ba le bana like tshepa ba happy lona wa ba happy win-win situation so o batla eng uthi makathetha so vele uThepo vele uyawalka vele uyaphuma athi mama ngicela ukuthi ungenzi this thing ngaphandle ngicela ukuthi sendlini uthi vele athi ngicela ukuthi ungene endlini sihlale phansi sikhulume uthi vele ngithi angifuni ukukhuluma yabona uthi vele uthi mangokho ngicabanga ukuthi bloody fool ufather-in-law usko Cape Town with one of my friends emakem expose uthi mina ufather-in-law bekazi ukuthi I know ukuthi wenza nomngane wami bengana problem umuntu omdala and menge ngise ngikhuze mina ubaba omdala ikilobona bekisa dikini taba zabona but I said to myself lo ngoba ngizisi ubhlungu let me show her ukuthi nami ngiyakhona ukwenza into afuna ukuyenza uthi awushozi ngisho ngireverse vele ngoba bathi sibene endlini uthi ngijike vele ngingene endlini sihambe uthi masifendle ngihlalwe phansi vele uthi girl nayi sozile ugcokile sohleli phansi uthi Thepo athi no baby like this idea kama wami ukuthi how about manga yenza umntwana yabona uthi Thepo akiba tokuba lona next angaka ukuthi lo muntu lo nibe test or nenzani kamo la robalana without protection even akiba tokulela wena sile wena ngizodila nawe mafika endlini athi wait a minute ngifuna ukukhomba something or awushozi bo evil heart yasi uba nenhliziyo yembine ungazi ube nayo because of indoda noma mazalo evil or also skithe phone ngi video call uthi ngithi friend uguphi friend was like no siya prepare no baby no tsetse ra prepare go beach front mina no tsetse now so athi convert like the call ni converted to a video call angeke batlobona uthi vele ubaby the husband uleka short linen white ka shirt ya linen ki two piece ya a short sleeve uthile igcoke bona igcolo lezi ka bhekicele lezi but white niyazibona ngisho ushaye ngayo uthi ze girl the PC brother so fine awusilena wa very long dress white uthi ngithi how kanti uyiwana ukuphuthedi kulona so ufuna ukuthi ajikise iphone to udaddy yabona ngisho like ku video call so ufuna ukuthi le lady ajikise iphone to uthi udaddy abe se screen uthi usisi uthize makakhomba udaddy ubheke like laba bhuke khona or ke balcony so udaddy ubheke that side uthi athi baby man yabona so ubaby makajika uthi usisi uthi ngajikisa iphone ngayithi ukuthi Thepo no mother-in-law uthi bazi ukuthi ngikhuluma no baby no tsetse angisho uthi uthize uma mother-in-law makabona the husband ukuthi uko Cape Town lengwanyana ekimitsing and ke my friend uthi mother-in-law flipped as or mother-in-law flipped awushozi kusho umuntu wabasophela moya akasakhona ukuphefumula uthi awushozi umuntu vele a collapse uthi vele uthakutha ufuna ukulala mama abana uthi vele act masinge ngithepa sikukile umuntu sifake emotweni simse sibhele uthi vele si drive vele masinge sithi sibhele vele bafike bamcheck into ukuthi vele no asi heart attack panic attack so umama ube ne panic attack what awushozi Thepo vele alwe nami vele endleleni mas driver alwe nami or uyazi uthi ngimtshela ukuthi umuntu omofela orogalo ka betrayal umuntu okugcina athi ngakhona ukubona ukuthi lento lo ithethe kuphi ngitshela ukuthi katsebo rona no gabotse botolatile papa how your father can date my friend angabi namahloni wena khona athi intombazana ifakela ngilala khona nawe embedeni egini your mother akhona allow ukuthi nibe together ukuthi nikhona lalana without my presence yabona uthi vele ngimgive like this ngizongitshela befuthi lo mshado lo msangano if ever nayo ongazi ukuthi mina ngaba pregnant ngakhipha umntwana so it doesn't mean ukuthi angkhona ukuba nomntwana if ngifuna uzala ngazala at any time it means ukuthi wena isimkhansa wakho silo wangakhona ukungipregisa uthi also like nekigwadile next taba nomsangano nomshado bengasana ndaba makuphihlika kuphihli ukuthi wabozala uyangizonda ukwenza uthi bengingasana ndaba bese ngizicabangela mina awushozi ngali vacation eCape Town phela emoshekile the wife saw ukuthi kwenzekeni imoshele ivacation ngamngani wami nomuntu wakhe iglobal because the wife saw uthi mara bona indaba yakho bayabo bayikhuluma bas continue ngevacation yabo baba right but the friend mina vele wangikwatela because of ngimbetray number 1 number 2 me ukosibedlela awushozi me ukosibedlela bam admitile ma right baripilo hai aishaye kahle uThepo mina navele sikwatelene akisadikena awushozi ngikhuluma nawe se uma musesibelele akasi right Thepo ngikwatethi bila ke senetaba arekena konhlungu angifi ngiphekile akahle na if uphekile namangile we don't know ukuthi the girlfriend pregnant or kanjani or are they still dating because nalomoto nali full 3 weeks asikhulumisana mother-in-law angimkhulumisi, I don't even answer phone calls wakhe. So I was just go but just so I get to work jwang. Should I proceed ngendaba ye divorce? Because I haven't told my mother, my side of the family, abazi ukuthi kwenzekeni ngofadher-in-law, my mother-in-law, my husband. They don't know anything. Or mokile ngothing ngiku crossroads. I don't know which direction to take. Should I divorce this guy or ngimuphi second chance? But I know ukuthi mama zalo ngizonda or father-in-law ngizonda. But my heart is set in to go divorce. What should I divorce this guy or resing the deepest like a secret yam ukuthi nga yenzi abortion? Wona akesatse work etseshwa. So I was choosing, I'm asking you and nama followers wakho if bazithola ku situation yami to fix this thing or noma ngithi ngifuna ukuyiyeka ngenze kanjani, because now ngithukhile. If me ola or a bucket or phela akayishaba shapa I blame igimi. Beside ukuthi indoda yakhe iganga nomngane wami, but iblame kimi mina bengazi ngayikhipha a secret. But my husband, I'm not ready ukuthi ngimxolele because of lento ayenzi the ultimate betrayal, because of betrayal. Even the mother-in-law uvumela kanjani umntwana wakhe ukuthi lethi intombazana alale nayo endlini la ngilala khona naye empedeni ekamareni lakhe ukuthi bayenze whatever bayenza bathi bayenza ingane. So I was sure aketsebe ngithuhile. I'm just praying and hoping ukuthi my mother-in-law are recovering abe right. Ay naze nasiphila movie. Yabona le mihlolo. Nena. Ay khulumani bantu ukuthi nini advise anithini sesina ke na advice she. Yabona le Smith nyaka mathumbe fariki. Masikhuluma ngale ndaba le. Cause imess nje angeke izilungiseke. Sisi must pack her bags, divorce umuntu bathengise indlu, athathi yafe yakhe na lo athathi yafe yakhe ahamba ucalisa impilo kwabo, because it will never ngeke kuze kusalunga next imoshekile kimethi agothugela fast house khona wa gape amanzi akachithile nkukhu ayisekho.